Hi, it's Wonder Woman Mom, and I'm back with another unboxing. Today for you, I have Fugitive Toys F-Box. At one point, this was hard to buy, even sold out in less than 30 minutes. Now we think they're making them more available because took a couple days. This month's theme is 7/15/20, and I'm thinking it's a date, but I'm not quite sure what the date's all about. Last month they did Star Trek. I'm bummed I didn't get that one. So let's see what we got in the box. Okay. Looks like we have a little packing slip. Some paper. Ooh, lots of little boxes too. And the first thing we have is more paper. And what is this? Oh, this is pretty sweet. It is the Game of Thrones Legacy Collection. Daenerys Targaryen. She's pretty cool. And then here's the back of the box. I like that little figure. My husband's favorite character in this show. It's by Funko. We'll put that to the side. He probably won't want to open it up. Okay. Oop. Game of Thrones vinyl figure. Mini mystery. Those are always fun to open. I've never got one of these before, so I'm interested. This would be our very first one. And this is the first edition, so there are some specials. Here's our box, our bag. Let's see. It feels like one of the dragons, but it's hard to say. They have one really rare one, if it is a dragon at all. Let's see what it is. And it is a dragon. Sweet. It's not one of the rare ones. This one is available 2 out of 24, which is, 1 in 12. But either way, it's pretty sweet. Another small box. Game of Thrones Jon Snow keychain. Pop pocket keychain from Funko. That's pretty cool. I don't have one of those yet either. I have 2 keychains, but they're not Game of Thrones. Ooh, another mystery mini. Edition 2. Cool. Now I'll have 2. I like that they gave us one of each edition. So we get a little bit of a variety. Okay, this one feels like I am not sure what this one is. I think it might be a Jon Snow. Let's see. Nope, I was definitely wrong. So I got Daenerys Targaryen. That's appropriate since I got a dragon in the first box. And I think the last thing I get is a Funko Pop. It is. And we have Grey Wind. He's really cute. I like the wolf. We don't have any of these ones yet. Any of the wolves, at least. So we like pop vinyls. We love to collect them. We have a small portion over here and a lot more where you can't see. So to recap what we got in the box, we got our first edition Game of Thrones with the yellow dragon. He's really cute. I like him a lot. We got the second edition Mystery Mini with Daenerys Targaryen. The Jon Snow Pocket Pop. That's really cool. I think he's one of my husband's favorite. I just recently got into the Game of Thrones, like last season. My husband was showing me. I watch him here and there, so I haven't really caught up. I'm not real sure on who everybody is, but... And here's the other item that we got in the box. Game of Thrones Legacy Collection. Daenerys Targaryen. Sorry, I'm sure I've said her name wrong a couple times. This is Series 1. I don't think I mentioned that the first time. But it's also made by Funko. She's number 5. We like number 5 in our house. Anything number 5. And then we got the Pop Game of Thrones, number 23, Grey Wind, out of the 3rd edition. That's really cool because we don't have any of the wolves. We do have Daenerys Targaryen and Tyrion Lannister and Jon Snow. But other than that. So I'm really excited. I'm really happy with the overall what we got in the box. I know my husband's going to be thrilled when he gets to see what's in the box, because we were unsure of what the numbers meant for the clue. So I know he'll be really excited because this is one of his favorite TV shows, and kind of sad that we don't have HBO right now or when it comes back out. So I hope you all enjoyed my video, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys again on my next unboxing. Thanks for stopping by.